What's up, fatties? Welcome back. We're playing 5-7 Germany again. Kind of a sucker for this BR. He is kind of my favorite. We're still going for uh, that season battle pass challenge is what I'm trying to say. Um, it is get a bunch of kills with bombs less than 120 kilograms. So I'm just using the 50 kilogram bombs here on the Focke-Wulf. We're aiming to get open top stuff. Yesterday was brutal. I mean, it was not good. I could not hit anything with the 50 kilogram bombs. I was trying to bomb an ASU 57 and I missed like 3 of them. It was embarrassing. I would not watch. Don't look at that. Um and yeah, I was playing this on Tunisia yesterday. So I'm here running it back. Tunisia again, but this time it's a full down tier, which you might have missed, but trust me, it's a full down tier. Okay, there's a guy. Should be an easy kill. We're versing just Russia, pretty much. The stinkers. Oh, I wasn't looking at that guy. Frick. It's fine. That's okay. I don't really want to go over to A. I could have gone to C, but like I didn't like the vibes over there. I want to spawn camp. This is my greatest goal in life, and I don't know how many open top vehicles I can get against Russia. KV-1 and the IS-1. Look at these freaking gooners. Oh, just a bit high. Not good. Yeah, I'm thinking the tasks really shouldn't be too difficult for me. Should honestly be pretty free. Oh. I just need to stop screwing up, basically. Can I snipe the... This would be disgusting. Oh, a bit high. That would have been disgusting. And I'm still really tempted to go for it. Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm gonna get shot in the butt by this heavy tank. Alright, we're locking in. Here we go. Yeah, as long as I can aim those 50 kilogram bombs, even like a little bit. I really shouldn't go for anything too big. I really normally use it for open tops, like I've been saying. Just need to figure out the aim, you know? Sweet. Yeah, his crew was busted. I'm going to be looking to the left for that heavy tank. I'm going to grab this ASU. Like, I know I could wait until later. Or... Don't look at that. Don't look at that. You missed it. My game lagged out. There was a bit of a lag issue. And DDoS attacks are very prevalent in the game. I'm going to kill this dude. In War Thunder. Watch out, they're not ready for it. Dude, this is a huge match, and the full down tier is kind of disgusting. I only wish we were versing US. That would have been amazing. All you have to worry about for US 5-7 and below is Yombo. How am I only killing one crew member, or like just the breach on these Cheeto things? What am I using? I'm using the high pen, low explosive mass. Stupid. Should have brought the other one. I'm a little worried, but I'm gonna stick with it. Oh, BT's 5? Freak. Okay, I think the heavy tank I was looking for died. Should really go for the Cheeto, because he can probably just smoke me right here. Turret crew. I shot him earlier, so he was already down. Worried about the Cheeto because he can kill me like it's nothing. Like my armor is butter. But I don't see him. Oh my god. You're a weirdo, dude. Freaking nature. There's a guy right in front of me. I'm gonna watch right because that's where spawn is. There's the ASU from a second ago. There's another KV-1. ASU. Then the T-34. Hunt the gun down. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. Dumbass tank, bro. You go left and go down? What the flip? What the flippy? I can kill the freak. Oh, he's gonna back up into me, no homo. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh. Guy on my left. ETR? Yes, you punk. There's a guy right in front. Oh, well, that's a teammate. Did he die? Holy big tank. Big reload. Free kill, free kill, free kill, free kill. Yahtzee! Let's go. I said Yahtzee. One more? Disgusting ass full down tier. I'm not even getting any kill. It's just a full down tier game. And by kills, I mean, I'm not getting any. Oh my god, I'm not getting any points for the tax. Crazy aim. You have psycho aim. I did not hit the smoke button. Dumbass teammate. Dumbass teammate. What's that? Oh, is that the whole row? I was a bit low. Oh, no, 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 no. Let's go. Let's go. Need to stop ricocheting on this guy. And good night. I'm down to heat. Heat only. Disgusting. Cheeto late shoots my guy in the butt. Alright, now I'm smoking. Smoke. Okay. Now Cheeto behind me. No homo. Here we go. Lock in. How much pen do I have? 100? 110? As Bowtime Gaming would say, 1mm of pen. Okay, there's a... Gave you one behind me. Smoke up again. Don't shoot my ass. Ah! No, he shot me, but... It's gotta get better before you can beat me. Alright. I'm gonna kill this BTR. My Pran. I think there's a guy up here. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. That's the BTR. KV-85 looking ass. IS-1 looking ass. Ah, this truck. Okay. That's what we're aiming for. He gone. Sure, Emil got him? Disgusting. Shh. Be quiet, kid. That is a KV-85, dude. I can't tell. Driver down? Let's fucking go! This is disgusting. KB1S. Who the fuck? You're a weirdo. Driver again. 13's okay. Listen, I'm not one to J out and leave the game early to spawn in the airplane. I used to do that like for a long time, but when you're winning, man, stay winning. Don't interrupt yourself when you're gaming your pants off. Could have gone all downhill. I could have spawned the Focke-Wulf and it would have been like a horrible game. Man, easy win. I kind of locked in there. I know he's a full down tier, so it's pretty much free. Nobody could really touch me. No ammo. But yeah, lots of fun that one. Again, the whole point was to get kills with the 50-kilogram bomb, but I just drive around and ridiculous. I don't know. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. Like I said yesterday. We're gonna have to really figure this out because 9 kills is kind of a lot, and I don't know how. It's not really a lot. I have like a whole week to do it. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I just need to strike a nice balance between 13 kills and no deaths and getting 3 kills and losing the game. So yeah, turned out a bit different than I thought, but hey, that's War Thunder for you.